how to get CorelDRAW for free with no credit card. So if you want to get the CorelDRAW for free, then what you need to do is simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. You can select the account and you can go for the search and search for CorelDRAW support. Once you've searched here, you can simply go for the first search, which is CorelDRAW support, and under here you can scroll down and here you will have create support tickets option. Click on submit a ticket. So if you want to get the CorelDRAW for free with no credit card, then you need to simply create a support ticket. So once you click on that, here you will have this kind of interface where you need to enter your details, like you need to enter the product. You can select the product, go for the drop down bar, and then you can select the product, which is Corel Vector, Corel CAD, CorelDRAW Essentials, or any of these options. So you can simply choose any one of these options and then go for issue type, and then you can simply select the issue type from here, and you can enter your serial number or the order number and your full name, your email address, your subject, and here under the subject you need to write free trial for CorelDRAW. And once you've written free trial for CorelDRAW, under the description you need to write, "Hello dear CorelDRAW teams. Actually, I wanted to ask you for a free trial version of CorelDRAW. I wanted to buy the product, but before the purchase, I wanted to check the software properly. So this is my account details, and you need to enter the account details of your account, and you can simply go for submit, which will be on the bottom right of your screen, which is here. And once you've submitted, you can get the CorelDRAW for free without the credit card. So that's it, that's how you can get. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.